Alrighty guys, how's it going out there? Rooster in 10, roostercb.com. Got a gray 300 going up for sale here today, and you guys seen the channel for a while. I've sold a lot of these in the past. Got this one in a while back, and it had all kinds of mismatched transistors in it. You guys can see, maybe you remember it from a previous video. It's got the holes on the top of it. I guess somebody was trying to ventilate it a little bit. But it had a regular Toshiba 2879 in it, and then some oddball, I think SRF 492s or something. But it worked. It just didn't work right. It's been replaced. Those have been replaced. If you guys can see down in here, I don't know if you guys can see or not. HG1446s, a match set of 4 brand new HG1446s. So this thing is rocking and rolling now and doing a good job. It's a low drive amp, you know, 35, 40 watts PEP, couple watts dead key, should be plenty. The preamp does work on it. Hello. The meter on the front works. The RF light works. The sideband delay works as it's supposed to. Everything on this amp functions as it should. So we're going to test it here. We'll test it on maximum power, we'll test it on average and peak, and then we'll test every other power setting just on peak. Looks like my power supply is at 15 volts right now, so we're kind of at maximum voltage that I recommend for one of these. Somebody has upgraded the power wire on it. This was done before I got it. This is not something we did. It's got some 8-gauge wire. Probably looks like about, I don't know, 3 or 4 feet coming out the back. Probably about 3 feet coming out the back of it. But let's test this gray 300 out and see how it does, and we'll go from there. We got a 1,000 watt slug in here, and we're going to start on average, then we'll make our way to PEP. So we're looking at the bottom scale. Hello, hello, about 160 or so average, give or take. Here's your clamp meter test. 25 amps on the clamp. Radio, audio, radio, about 160 or so. Check your PEP out. PEP, good for you, good for me. Audio, 1, 2, 3. PEP, audio, close to 500, about 475. All right, this is going to be one stage lower. Hello, check audio, check audio, check audio. About 385. Another stage lower. Hello, check audio, audio, what, 225, and then the lowest stage, hello, audio, about 175, audio, check audio. There she goes. It's working now, guys, working like $1,000,000. It's a good one. You know, I've seen them do a little bit more, but you'll get some occasionally that'll hit that 500 watt mark. But really, you know, my rule of thumb on these, anything over 350, 400 watts is kind of a bonus to me. Again, I have had a couple of really, really nice ones that came through here that pushed a little bit over 500, but this one's doing well. Hello, come on down, breaker. You know, it is what it is with the case on it. If that doesn't bother you, then it doesn't bother me. I mean, I'm not really particular about stuff like this. I would run it myself. I don't care. If it doesn't sell, then whatever. I'll keep it over here for a spare amp or a good little amp to test stuff with. But there you guys go. Old gray 300. Good little amps. Thanks, everybody. Rooster in 10, roostercb.com. See you, bye.